Nyamia ye bi. Nyamia ye bi. Even though say pressure woman no. Nyame de ye twa. Enkwa ene ahoden ewo ye mu enim sense ntwa adwuma no enye easy de. Baby wo na wo bowura ho eni kwan se woko but adwuma ni ti e wo se woko na tax ne so but nyame ne ye twa yi de akoyi nti ye da na se
adwuma ne se ne ogina wo ye ni one ye ni holiday ye ni time ayepon ye just adwuma ne every time you say you butu so kra ayefra e se oba
what you say
but no but that is the talent of the adwuma no. But yeah da have us ase omo ayibi amai na 2022 no mo share something bigger.
Busia for we here to us and director any empress and ewa hanum Mrs. Bakope Mrs. I am we fi the chat on
Mrs. Ose wenya bogiat
and we dey akwane kwache I said you the one farmer no dey any na say any ejai or no wa twede wa ha say ene ye sanso any wo machine na say experience ye dwuma yi mu ane ye afi mu na say ye che e de ama afofo na director Ben Bruce
one
2021 woman is saying send any oma kodema o
asemo 2021 mixed feelings yeah e bi nye but e kon say December ye come out and tell me say obi energy
ye come out and say wona wo call ya na adwuma na because me try out na mama ko de bia me share dem
say oh baby e kwa na ntimi ko e something I don't know more out in
okay
yeah but yeah you know no God has been good. God has been good. I mean we can't ask for better but you take it too much to a different level until you but senior kind it's going to be bigger next year. You're back international. That is a promise.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's see what God will do.
Yeah. Empress.
Yes.
No.
Yeah, let me say. I said that. Empress, this is what I was saying.
Me na ba me da se na metia eye too much afefo nyina. In fact, nyame hira mo ma ya de papa. Enye obi bia e na owo channel say ya amanfo tena se na waje bre ehwe ma ya de ni so eye ne mo ye nyame hira mo. Na epia 2021 eye afi bia in fact ngokuhwi ase ewu. Ya hwe ya dwuma yi a mi ankasa me hye da nya daje ma me ho. Mi nya daje ma mi kunu.
Asa what kan de na adwuma no.
Enya bro mi ntimi di ye feeling ye. Because adwuma the pressure no so.
Ndi di ye.
Mi ye feeling ye.
Di na we.
Empesa e kunsa kola we channel yo.
Okay.
Kola we channel no.
Some how na make the challenge na make anya good. Because adwuma no be so ya na pa oba pressure papa you oti he no so top pressure ma osan uwie so a and on contem
Me ye kan say me top pressure
obekwa kodu fie no na efie so e was so hwe fie ni ade so combining the work and then marriage together no, it's not easy but most people no afa na meti ase ni to do ho no mo say me de ni kum say ontine fie because pressure no eso amo franso wo mu but ni nyina God has been good to us and I think so adwuma na nso no eto da bia pressure no ye frɛ na nam ha agba wasa ukọ ha I can't remember year drivers for call strike in fact it was serious it was serious now Oprah you can testify to it maybe I not the bed hey we need car
the wedding
we need car serious
some say you ba
I was say nyame ye bi even though say pressure wo mu no nyame de ye twa enkwa ene ahoden ewo ye mu enim sense ntwa adwuma no enye easy de baby wo na wo bowura ho eni kwan se woko but adwuma ni ti e wo se woko na tax ne so but nyame ne ye twa yi de akoyi nti ye da na se
Mr. Ben Bruce from yes abreye edeko 2022 then ahwefo in looking up to and as a woman and she free too much
okay your friend is saying too much as me can ye ba bigger and bigger will become. Your friend is say when him say sometimes me overreact but Jumani na demand is that.
So you more picky one.
Oh, yes, me picky. But you see, you are all my what I call my soldiers. It's you know, a Jumani said the original war for that. You need holiday. You need time on your phone. You just a Jumani every time. You tell me you to so cry a flower as over. What I said. But no, but that is the talent of the Jumani. But yeah, have us as a Oma yibi amai. Now 2022 no, more share something bigger. Yeah, channels na bi wa be ka
okay.
Yeah, Adom channel almost online. African media. Ni nyina ba ba gidi I be different content.
Na mo nchicha wo mo credit e bia wo mo.
Oh, yeah, ba ba here even award for. There be be man perform share here pa no. You be form into the studio. You do something. You see, enye dey be ma on here but say you recognize it or no. You know. And then from CEO or say men can share say in fact you be amazing. Mo workers no. You who say na yenya mo. Unim. I've never worked with a team like this. They are so talented. From your friend is saying, who appear to Empress got your heart to the Babel day. Or do again. Or do again.
You want to press I don't know if up and down. Now over the sister.
To Amma, Wadamaku, Andy, Nana Kwame, Asante, me body what? Mr. Dogbe, hey, one more friend, baby, and a Jamaica, hey, soldier back up. You see, Niamika said the amazing, they say, sometimes a human you do what? The last job that we did, you know, you do what you feel say it's impossible. But I just told them, I believe in you, I know you can do it, and they did it. And Niamani, but you might me, you know. Because I show me now 20 countries. You cover 500 dishes.
Okay.
It's me try.
Okay.
And my no, and by my big company. Yeah, but I say when near Manayaba or China. Until from 2022 they should expect something huge.
Everest 2022 then no expectation then I was share a day every say e be call a day amount.
Sikapa 2022 there was a fa.
There was a fa e be fa.
I was a fa. I'm fine you got to bro. And now you set so near to bro. 2022 I came back for me expecting me say so far the parliamentarians kwatna mahwebedwam. One more modern say one fa anidie kakra. Emma or mine, the son says, Sebi, Omoyan penny for Tessanian to Pani idea is he were na Ghana, we are not expecting that. Not faint so no, and yet, a do high timer, they have to be accountable to us. Ministry be a mayor account, Emma or mine, and no bebois, I'm a pepper akoso. I think so, a bammy. In fact, 2022, I'm expecting something great. My cameramen, when I'm going out with them, I'm expecting say
Bianca sawa bre.
There be no dear year to just 2020 because 2022 dear year be soldier living.
Okay.
So throw be soon. I'm out for this will be peja. Yeah. And our viewers know. In fact, we have a lot of things in store. Director Kasano no kase loyalty people. Ya won kofo bi o ma hwen ya che. Enti obi nso ya de ma wo sahiye. 2022 we are going to invite all those people to the studio. Na near omu deserve bi ano ya de be mo. So for now no it could be you.
Okay.
Enti no men's sound channel no. And unsubscribe it any media box say
That's
unsubscribe. So what
I
na yeah the people be atumu na wa bomodin ahwe na o commenting so ade ba ko a ekua me pese me ka ho asem adwuma na da pa wo mo
adapa de jai yeah so we dey change so anya dey abe
obeye ade ba ko no say in fact
hey show wa obegu one na ire na ku say na ire hye na
wa ba say ni ni na
but or show what they say when you be behind program new go for shot you bet me there one and just make up an effect now I no call the baby I me say e kesi so kesi no boa say dem tie am
dey say problem am
say dem tie am play
ade ba ko ne say ye viewers no ye need to mu ho ye pem asem pa na ye mo comment no eya na enje insult ne so je nyame hira mo omo ye good insult no embra insult ne ba eboa ma ye shape ye ho eboa ma ye hu say we are lacking this so let's put in this corrections e ma ye hu say yeah in fact people are looking up to us and our viewers are expecting something more because how ya they no be pay be ne more so a o misa anasa on ka ho asem na mo amon kasa nso no amon kasa na ye yuti na mo kasa ho a ye we bone so 2022 there it's going to be massive.
Shout out
now mami what are your expectations for 2022?
2022 there is going to be big.
Wait, challenges when after 2021?
Challenges there we brave.
Said there can be true. Broken heart go wala.
There we broken heart.
Can you?
Also what you break?
Can you?
Broken heart what you
broken heart. Broken heart dey we brave. From January to broken heart dey we brave. But you go take kwa broken heart. One kwa broken heart. Na I abranti go no so broken heart.
Minimum no.
Broken heart serious one. Like me dey one me me tia but still me see am in January. Oya dey am me na.
But your job wise so who go dey say?
Bibia you okay. We already dey am eduma bia no obenya challenges, stress all this stuff. But ni nyina mu no nyame aboa. Say one ma ye ni no so nko ade na chese. Ni nyina no so ye dey aboa enti said you no ne said 2021 ko 2022 you won say things will change. Nyoma be so nyoma be okay. I can't be as someone seen in ebe in
bia problem.
So and 2022 there for more
big
things. In fact, if we one year nyoma be ready.
So but
for shout out to a drama Ashafo.
A friend say the answer go you. But for my CEO, my boss and my brother, Reverend Elia, I salute for giving me the platform to perform. And to my, what I call my soldiers, Kwajon Meriku, Andy, Asante, Nana Kwame, Jamaica, and I'm female soldiers as well. Frank Dogbe, my male soldiers. Na ha be mayo female no equia or ha you empress chese we who be that Mr. Pacho yade ama ya be sure why and then to everybody to my kids me madie me pamocho me chocho me chese me su efi me mu na bai
we see su efi
Marcella Asha and now your friend is saying Schneider, I love you. Daddy loves you. Say me nifia. I'm working to have something bigger and better.
Okay.
And now to head because me body here.
They be here now refi.
Madam, me.
They be yes. They are we you see.
Me see all batch me you see. They say madam for me na but to my wife.
Okay.
Vera. Yami Shram. Abucha when you you have to say me haji. But if I'm sorry, Papa be any baby. But that's it. Ya why ye send your original mechi. Ultimate program no see had ya ko ya had ya ko ye. Me that's it. Nyame Shram.
Okay. Empress.
Yes. Shout out Kasiapa and Koma our viewers Nyame Shram. Afei so mi ko Mr. Kwache. Nyame Shram say o ma me kwan ma me ye adwuma we. You know say I love this job. And you know, even though sometimes maybe if you know I know you me go.
Oh wow.
He's just a talent.
Wow.
And I think so too. I have one this papa who has been my strength all this while.
Okay.
Nyami Inshwano papa.
Mr.
Joseph Noy. Nyami Shro. this man is so good to me. So I said, anytime me and my friend, he's there. He has been my father for all this while.
Okay.
So I said, investment a why woman who hey nyame sure what
enye wa mo AYEKA si
nya say enye obi bia na otimi hwe eni basa ofa obi se ne ba na ohwe no sa nyame sure I feel so my father Mr. Bediakon, my siblings Grace Abel, Justice Obed, Edward, Julius, Prince Lord, Vivian, Hetty, we are many. Mommy nyina chale afisia pa. I think so afisia pa kese pa enkoma eye me sofo back up here. Ah, daddy. Nyame sure pa. Mr. Wilson, nyame sure. I think so eye danso man bebe say eye youth district leader Eda Charles nyame sure. I think so Eda Samola girls. Hey, me wa happy. Me have papa wey house with their pressure dey just baby pressure
na me top pressure for life
maybe I do want to tata no sir and that let nyame sure I think to be youth ministry that's man beach youth for nyina mo empress back up madam nyame sure mo I think say no bia school amoko no mo awie mo university mo SS on back university nyame aye mo bisa dey amamo I think so me ma me salo over UK nyame sure eye ma Julie Holland nyame sure oh me uncle Painty US nyame sure
madam
Afiaso Mansalo
one to ade amom take
Mansalo Misra Christmas do o dey €100 per na dey chow ba PAC na miss me dey twa menu afi so o can see nyame sure afi nye twa to okra ye me boss Pastor Elia on any wife nyame sure mo papa Pastor nyame sure Chale oye Jovia, my boss de oye Jovia, but ni bufu dia one plug. Nyame sure afi 2020 years, but say
2022.
Afi 2022. Me come
now
1% I blame them. Afi 2022, we are expecting something marvelous. We hope say you better enjoy our stay working with you. Nyame ensure. Afi Epia, shout out to you. Nyame sure. Oshono, mami make up. Nyame sure what it.
Amen.
Afi say now I na maso.
Amen.
Bakubleku. Or say what I forgetting. No be full from mara.
Who send your car already? Pastor,
Me feel.
you are
Shout out to them on the break. Me dear.
Wa make chaso.
And check see Emma me mama. I Aden. And come mama I akosia na me ensure say that down pipe all the time me chi or draw e de Emma me na me papa I yeah Mr. William Kobna answer na me ensure pam and na me nuanom Reverend Philip Sebe answer and Benedicta Efree na me ensure mo me auntie sa me no mote wa Accra I yeah me papa no ma me no mo ma Abigail Mr. Dogbe yeah dedefo just say obia en chakase enko mama ena ma mo pay me a man pini nyina no nso me chia mo mama Merry Christmas I me chakase enko mama ena che say me nkrofo bia che say me nsi wo mo fom dan da che say bibia mu omoso mi mu I XL Nana Kwame me ensure ena Emmanuel Tewia nsinya me ensure bebre kwadwem reku ti acho ha no ma wo sese ma mbo di anu me beku
Ena Francis nyame sure pa
Oh Francis kwadwem ma akrafo mienu
nyame ensure also bo Francis bo ni so ma bo ni din daga ba so ma I'm chakase nkoma obibia ena ebi me so for Mama Juliet nyame ensure wa abochi adane da wunya wo me ho afutu a wo de ema me som ena ebi so me boss Reverend Elia Apia nyame ensure ne me director ene obibia me ni mu ye adwuma wa ha no se nyame ensure obibia
Asina kesi ensign comma Pastor Richard Black Eyes Achia Adiza
Pastor Bernard, me pacho, and then your birthday. Obabaso. Obabaso, you didn't the party, but the party no. Obi ama.
Yeah, sure. I said that you too said the phone. Baby, I will free. Not just what they are back Prophet Bernard. It's me friend on our way. As soon as you know, when you're a bread at the Maya. Any actual phone you now, more a chinimo so. But you come with me, mommy. And I am man. If you're what's man, it's show me free. Nice. I am miserable. Mrs. Yami and show. Oh, draw it in there and your mama at the Miami and so at the.
But my sister, my big sister, US, Millicent, Michelle, and Nana Quesia Foka. And now the father, maybe a penny. David.
What was your pattern? We said.
You bought you some somebody.
After 2020, the soon
22.
We're very important. Quick one. In fact, after 2022, Red Lane Dream program no. Koye mass. Just say, and never ye dear remu. Our real lawyer said, Baba Tnaso, ama ye muso. I don't what's our real say, Ben my till, and near one new film. And I said, watch him, 10 years, young one low, ye jawa kofo before from, and Marano, and Marano, and song. Not I didn't come.
Yeah, we trust why.
There be, I was so funny and come. And your day a year and some young come or experience any a juma your 4 1 more and 7 aha and I did yami ensure obibia so than it down munya your ha na munya odo and it's ma ede emaye na mo comment amode eba so no yeso yami ensure a year obibia Mr. Fosu Michelle baby o and I Joe Louise agent official comment